Amani Channel, and this is a live Q&A. So it is Wednesday, and I got a few little nuggets to share with you. So first of all, I gotta start this off by giving props out to Lucia, who's like the star of the week. Lucia, I don't know why I say her name, Lucia Pizarro. That's how we say su nombre. See, thank you. I think that's her name. So she has been just rocking it out. So if you've been following her progress, she's doing a webinar, I think in January, and she was concerned. She's really nervous about a presentation, but she was also concerned about her background. So I think she started off in her bathroom, and she went to her garage or her basement, and she finally found a corner of her of an office or of a room with a bookshelf, and it looks really really nice. And she's also been working on her appearance a little bit, so she let her hair down, wearing her glasses, a little makeup, and I think that her results are phenomenal. So props to you for just stepping outside your comfort zone. First of all, being humble enough to ask for advice and for critiques. And I want to thank all the members. I know Bradley's been providing her some feedback, Andrea has been providing her some feedback, so that's awesome. So that can show you what just a little bit of help from your friends, how far and how fast you can go, because I think it's like a 360-degree or 180 improvement from when she first got started. And now I think the latest comment was that she's just looking for some tips on how to turn her nervousness into excitement. And so I think that as you approach your webinar, that first of all, webinars are a little bit different than just recording videos, because with webinars, it's kind of like it's similar, really similar to going live. I just did a class on live streaming from my group in my coaching program. And webinars are kind of similar, but they are different because hopefully you'll have some slides that you'll be talking to. So depending upon how you use your slides and how much you're going to be on camera, you might find that talking on a webinar is really almost easier, because if you're just talking over the slides, your slides will be on camera a little bit more than your face will. So you don't really have to worry about that too much. It just really depends upon the webinar platform that you're using. But I found that with webinars that you don't have to necessarily worry about being on camera a whole lot, because people are there to learn from you. And so look, my son was playing around my logo. They're there to learn from you, and so you don't have to worry so much about your appearance and being on camera. All right, but I just want to say, Lucia, that I'm very impressed with just your just the transformation really that we've all been witnessing as you've stepped outside of your comfort zone. You've asked for help, and you've gotten it, and you've applied. And the last thing you said was, give me feedback on everything, right? And so I think that the overall feedback is that everything looks great. Your background looks great. So I'm playing around with the logo here, the size. My mouse is not acting right. I'm trying to, no. All right, we'll just leave it right there. Let me, I'm going to share this with you actually. So this is her latest video. Can I it's not playing, but you can see that just the improvement there. A nice smile.
I think I found a corner that I can use. So
Yeah, it looks good. I like it.
about this, and I'll tell you a little bit about what my webinar will be about.
So yeah, I think you're well on your way, and once again, excellent job. So talk a little bit more about live streaming, since a lot of folks have been interested in my setup that I'm using and the program that I'm using to do it. And actually, for Cyber Monday, there was actually a 50% off discount code for this particular software. Now, I will say that it's Mac only, but there are some other applications that work for you. So first of all, I'm using Ecamm, which is a Mac Facebook Live application. At the time when I first bought Ecamm, it was just like a one-time price. So I paid one-time fee for it, got the software, and like everything online now, it's like so frustrating because everything is like a subscription now. So they want to tax you every month. So there is a subscription now for Ecamm. I think it's super affordable though, and for Black Friday, they had a 50% off discount for it. So you can already see like I can basically switch live. So yes, this is a live stream right now, though it's recording, and I'm probably going to upload this to YouTube and share it across the webs. But you can switch live. So I have a couple different cameras set up. I can use my Canon DSLR, which Bradley Vincent encouraged me to use, and I'm just really pleased with the picture of it. I do have, sometimes it goes out of focus because it doesn't have like face follow focus tracking, but it looks really good. I'm really impressed with everything about Ecamm. It allows you to stream to Facebook, you can stream to YouTube, Twitch, Periscope. There's a lot of different places where you can stream your videos to. You can also stream with Restream.io. And it allows you to add like different elements to it. So you already saw the motion intro, so you can add like videos and all sorts of stuff. So like I had the little motion. So you can have elements like that, or if there's a pre-recorded video segment, I can include that. I can add different text and graphics elements like record. I can add photos and pictures, and I mean it's just really really awesome little program for Mac. So I would encourage that if any of you are on a Mac that you're looking at getting Ecamm, I can share the link with you. If you are interested, just put a 1 in the comments and I'll share Ecamm with you. And I'm also another program that I really like, and it is again Mac only, is called what's it called? ScreenFlow. So ScreenFlow is actually like a video editing program, and ScreenFlow allows you to like record your screen of your computer as well, but you can do talking in videos, you can edit, you can green screen, and they have some new features. They just come out with ScreenFlow 9. So I'm actually finally going to upgrade because I've been using ScreenFlow 5, and I feel like 9 just has a lot of features that I'm really interested in. So I'll be doing some tutorials of that as well. And the last update for you is that I'm getting back active on YouTube. So I don't know, like me and YouTube just haven't, I just haven't been as committed to YouTube as I have in past ventures. So when I was doing Web Video Chefs, which is the previous online education venture that I had with Chip Dizard, I was doing like we were killing YouTube actually, even though we had like, I think we have like 8,000 subscribers, which isn't bad. I'm thankful for that, but we don't really do anything with video chefs anymore, because it's all about video field. This Chip's moved on to his wedding photography videography business. So I just really haven't, I guess the thing with YouTube is you have to be committed. To me it seems like it's a little bit harder to get traction on YouTube, but that's probably because I haven't been as frequent and as committed to my posts. So that just is what it is. By the way, if you are watching this, go ahead and put a comment, say hey, I see a couple folks watching this live. Let me know that you're watching this, because I am here to answer questions. If you have a question, please put it in the chat. I'm monitoring the Facebook chat now so I can see you. So yeah, let me know if you do have any questions about production, speaking on camera, some affordable production techniques, about your background or set. Please, I'm more than happy to answer any questions right now. This is your chance to interact with me, and that's why I'm here. All right, so I'll share some tips when it comes to speaking on camera for a live stream. First of all, you got to have your talking points in a row, so know what you're going to say. I suggest you have a common intro. You want to have like 5 to 7 to 8 talking points, and then have an outro, a call to action, etc. Like if you're selling something, you might want to share some information about your product or service. You might want to stack your offer where you provide value, and then the offer. But it's more about just being relaxed. All right, being relaxed and smile. I don't really smile enough, but yeah, it's being relaxed is really, really important when it comes to speaking on live, whether it's a webinar or Facebook Live. So my best advice is just relax your nerves, take some deep breaths, review your talking points. Make sure you practice too. Make sure you practice what you're gonna say, and then when you're ready to go, give it a go. I'm gonna adjust this a little bit here. It's so hard to get this perfect, so I think that's about good. Sorry, folks. I'm adjusting my webcam as I'm talking. I know I shouldn't be. All right. But being relaxed is really important. And it's not so much being perfect. It's just more a matter of just being a little passionate, having some excitement, and knowing your information, right? So if you're an expert, I would assume that you're a subject matter expert already, so it shouldn't be that challenging. But just provide some value, provide some insights. Make sure you know your audience, who you're talking to, and have some fun. All right, so that's the best advice I can provide for those of you who are going live. Live is like the final frontier when it comes to making videos. It really is. It's like, it can be the most nerve-wracking, but the most exhilarating thing you can do is to go live. And I still get a little nervous before I went live. Like my mouse battery was dying. I was like, oh, I need some more batteries. And I mean, it's always something. So, it's still, if you're not getting nervous, I feel like you're not really in the moment. All right. Nerves are expected and are normal and natural. So don't worry that you get nervous. It's just how you transmute that nerves, how you can take the nerves and turn it into excitement, or take the nerves and just, so hopefully just melt away as you get into your conversation. But, those are my live tips. All right. So, yeah, if no one else has, oh, what's up, Donnie? How you doing, man? Got any questions for me? Because I am here for you. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And if not, I was about to sign off, but I see you're here. So yeah, if you do have any questions for me, let me know. If not, I'm kind of winding this live stream down. What's been going on with me? Let's see. We're about to. Of course, it's the holiday season, so plotting the gifts for the family, and we're going out to California for a few days during right after New Year's, so that should be fun. Right after Christmas to right after New Year's when we're traveling to California, and that's about it. Everything else is pretty copacetic. All right, so yeah, if no one else has questions, I'm gonna call this a night. But I do appreciate you for watching this on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, or thumbs up this video. If you have any questions for me, you can always post them here in the group or in the comment section below. Yeah, download my ebook and join my Facebook group, because the Video Confidence Accelerator is where it's at. It really is. Great group of folks who are doing some awesome things, creating awesome content. So with that, I'm going to call it a night, and I will talk to you all later. Peace. Oh, let me switch the camera angle. Let me do the real one. Peace. All right, that's it.